and you're gonna cut it like this. Let's start now our beautiful waffle, and we're gonna create a blue pattern as well. The idea is to have only inside. Beautiful. Let's cook it and stay tuned for the review. Let's see now how the waffle turned out. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's create now a beautiful dessert. So I have here some soft serve ice cream, and I'm gonna put a scoop of it on 5 waffle. Beautiful. The last one, beautiful. And now I'm going to show you a really cool technique to create grilled marshmallow. Okay, and once it's really hot, you're gonna take your knife, take your jumbo marshmallow, and you're gonna cut it like this. Whoa, that's pretty. Let's take your marshmallow and you're gonna put it inside your ice cream, just like that. The last one here, beautiful. You're gonna stack them together to create an amazing waffle s'mores tower. That is beautiful. Perfect. You're gonna put the last one on the top, the prettiest. Beautiful. Let's stack the tower. It's gonna be an amazing birthday cake for one person. Let's create a magnificent little cake. I'm gonna have 2 candles here. And now, fire. And happy birthday!